10 days, 3,000 miles, and 2 people in this? My sweetie and I are about to start a 10-day, 3,000-mile road trip with the Aston Martin Owners Club, Southwest US group. And we're heading from here in California off to Colorado. And so we're going to be visiting national parks. We're going to be up in the mountains. The temperature is going to range between 47 degrees and 98 degrees. The elevation is going to range from 0 feet here in California up to 9,000 feet in Colorado. So we have to pack and take a little bit of stuff. And we're going to be living out of our car. And here's what we're going to be taking. Holy crap. So you think, well, come on. You know, this is going to fit in our big giant GT car, right? Well, let's go check out the trunk. So you'd think, well, hey, it's a big car, we'll just fit everything in the trunk. And like many high-performance cars, there's hardly any trunk. So if you're thinking of, well, we'll just do it with two two-suiters, well, you can get one in the car. And maybe if you scooch it over there, you might be able to get your backpack in with it. So there's not a lot of space in the trunk for a regular type of suitcase. So Aston Martin kindly provided me with some bespoke fitted Aston Martin Q luggage. HWM England sent this out to me a few years ago. I never thought I'd be using it, but there's 4 pieces, and it's maybe not the best useful luggage in the world, but it certainly fits into all the nooks and crannies, as I'll show you. And then we have the area behind the seats that I'm going to try to take advantage of for things that are kind of bulky, like the backpacks and jackets and shoes. So, well, here's the pile. Let's see if I can get it into the car. Ta-da! There we have it. So all that fits in the car. The loose stuff's in the back seat basically. Snacks are in between the seats. Our backpacks are there for quick grabbing. All our clothes and luggage and everything are in the trunk. So even though it's maybe not the most practical car to take it, you could probably fit what you need into the car. So have fun with your trip. We're off to Colorado and we'll see you there. Bye for now.